Exercise 2.3, Problem 8, Discussion. Let's read the problem. The sum of three terms of a geometric sequence is 39 by 10 and their product is 1. Find the common ratio and the terms. I hope you remember we did something very similar to this in the arithmetic progression, where they will give the sum of three terms in an arithmetic progression is equal to so and so, and their squares and so and all this kind of things. So there we took a minus d, a and a plus d for arithmetic progression. For geometric progression, you have to take a by r, a and ar. The idea is when you multiply, you will get you'll get a cubed and you'll get the value of a straight away. Okay, so that's the key here. But anyway, let's mark what is given here. It's a geometric sequence. The sum of the three terms is 39 by 10. Their product is 1. Okay, sum equal to 39 by 10, product equal to 1. So what are we asked to calculate? We are asked to calculate the common ratio and the three terms basically. Right? There is no formula here. The hint is we'll have to take the three terms as a by r, a and ar. As I told you, when you multiply these three and equate it to 1, you will get a cubed equal to 1, from which a will be equal to 1. So one variable gets worked. Next, substitute a equal to 1 and add all these three and equate it to 39 by 10. Then you will get an quadratic equation in R. Solve that, get the value of R. Okay, that's how this problem needs to be worked out. Okay, now let's look at the steps. Let the three terms be a by r, a, ar. Okay, product of these three equal to 1. So a by r into ar equal to 1. This r and r will cancel. So you will get a cubed equal to 1 and implies a equal to cube root of 1, which is 1. They equate their sum to 39 by 10 because they have given 39 by 10 as their sum. Earlier we had used this condition that the product equal to 1. Got it? So what is the sum? A by r plus a plus ar equal to 39 by 10. Okay. Now when you put a equal to 1, you will get 1 by r. 1 plus a 1 r will be equal to 39 by 10. So when you put a equal to 1, then you will get that equation. Then you simplify it, you will be getting a quadratic equation, and solve that quadratic equation, you will be able to get the values of r. Once that is done, you have a and you will have r. Then you can go back and substitute those values and get the three terms. Okay, so that's the steps here. Okay, so what I suggest is pause the video here and try to work this problem out on your own, and after completion come back and check your working against our solution. Okay. Okay, the solution is given here. The condition is the product equal to 1 and the sum of these three terms equal to 39 by 10. We are taking the three terms as a by r, a and ar. So multiply it, equate it to 1. You will get a cubed equal to 1, from which you will get a equal to 1. As you see, r and r will get cancelled. Okay. Now you have to equate their sum to be 39 by 10. So that is a by r plus ar equal to 39 by 10. Substitute a equal to 1. So this equation becomes 1 by r plus 1 plus 1r, that is r, equal to 39 by 10. Now transfer that 1 to the other side, so it will become r plus 1 by r equal to 39 by 10 minus 1. Taking LCM, this will become 39 minus 10 by 10, that is 29 by 10. So r plus 1 by r will be equal to 29 by 10. Again, you can take LCM and simplify, or you multiply both sides by the product of all the denominators, that is 10r. So what will happen? 10r into r will get you 10r squared. 10r, when you multiply with this term, you will get that r and r cancel. So 10 into 1 is 10. And when you multiply this fraction with 10r, 10 will get cancelled, r will be there. So 29r. Now you transfer 29r to the left hand side. It becomes 10r square minus 29r plus 10 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation which can be solved by factorization. You need to factorize to find the solution of the r here. And what is one? Just 10 tens are 100. That is a constant in the coefficient of r square is 10 tens are 100. That needs to be split in such a way when they add or subtract you get 29. So that is done here. 100 equal to minus 25 into minus 4. Minus to minus is plus, 25 fours are 100. And the other side, minus 25 minus 4 equal to minus 29. Which means this minus 29r should be written as minus 4r minus 25r plus 10. So there is no change. All we have done is that we have split this and written it. Okay. Now you can see 2r is common in the first two terms. So when you take 2r commonly out, you will get 5r, and 2r when you take commonly, you will get minus 2. And between these two terms, you can see what is common. 5 is common. Okay. When you take 5 commonly out or minus 5 commonly out, you will get 5r minus 2. You got it? See, you have to get these two, you have to get this very similar or almost the same which has come out here. Then only you will be able to take this commonly out. So now you can take 5r minus 2 commonly out. So then it will become 2r minus 5. A product of two terms equal to 0. So either one of them will be 0. So when this is equal to 0, 5r equal to 2. And when this is equal to 0, you will get 2r equal to 5. So this will lead to r equal to 2 by 5. And this will lead to r equal to 5 by 2. So you can see inverse 2 by 5 and 5 by 2. Okay, now there are two cases. A is 1 in both the case, but r in one case it is 2 by 5. In case 2 it is 5 by 2. Alright, so we'll have to find the terms of both the cases. So when a equal to 1 and r equal to 2 by 5, the three terms will be a by r, that is 1 by 2 by 5, comma a, which is 1, then a into r, ar. Okay, so this will become 5 by 2, 1, and this will be 2 by 5. Okay, so this is the three terms. In the case r is taken as 2 by 5. When r is taken as 5 by 2, it will be a by r, that is 1 by 5 by 2. A is 1, and this is ar, that is 1 into r. So this will invert. So you will get 2 by 5, 1 and 5 by 2. It's just the inverse, right? So these are the two possibilities of the three terms which actually go by that condition. What is the condition? The product of the three will be 1 and their sum will be 39 by 10. Okay, quick check. See, multiply these three. Are you getting 1? You'll get 1, right? 5 and 5 will cancel, 2 and 2 will cancel. So you'll get 1. Similarly, this 2 and 2 will cancel and 5 and 5 will get cancelled. So the product equal to 1. Similarly, we add up and check it, you will get 39 by 10. Okay, so I hope you got the problem correct. And if not, please check where you have gone wrong and make suitable correction. If your concepts are not clear, please go back to the discussion part of the video and review it. Thank you for watching this video.